over here doing some home renovations, and it had a hole in my wall right there. We just closed it up, added some shelving in. There used to be an outside window, and I've been in this house forever, and the previous owners just kind of framed around it. But we decided to close it up, and we're gonna put a TV over that wall once we get it all smoothed out, wallpapered. But I'll show you what we did to accomplish this. Take this old trim off. This used to be a window on the outside of the house before the people before us put this addition on. So we're gonna cover this up and fill it in. We'll be able to put a TV there, right? Rob just built this frame to fit in there, and our shelving's right there. So we're gonna make a back on this, and we're gonna have to position our TV bracket to drill into those shelves, right, Rob?
Yes.
All right, so we just got some of our shelving in, and we got some plywood on the back of that. We're gonna paint that, and all wallpaper it. We'll do one of the two. All right, yeah, the sheetwork fits pretty good in there, Rob. So you just need to zap it in with some screws, tape it off, mud it. I think it'll look pretty good.